What's up, everybody? Andrew here from Let's Park It. We're here at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure, about to ride some crazy rides. It is so hot today. We're gonna go on the VelociCoaster, some Hagrids. We're gonna go on a crazy day. So just, you know, come on a vlog. We usually do some challenges, but we're not gonna do that today. Today we're just gonna have a great day in the parks. I'm gonna show you what it's like to just go around and have some fun. So let's go and do that, shall we? So let's park it. Dun dun. We just got off of Jurassic Park, not World, Jurassic Park River Adventure. Lots of things to say about this ride. It's a shell of a ghost that used to be an amazing ride, and now, sadly, it's not as good as it was. So, I hope they bring Jurassic World, the ride from Hollywood, out here. They really could use it. But next up, Kong, and then we're gonna ride VelociCoaster. So you know what? Let's go, guys.
Separate ride.
Kong, 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 Kong. What's up, everybody? We're here from the VelociCoaster with Project Theme Park, about to go on it for the first time ever. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a little insane. Let's go get on this, because I'm ready. Let's go. Everybody, we're here from the brand new VelociCoaster here in Universal Studios Orlando. Let's hit it, let's get it, and as always, let's park it. The thing is, this is so cool.
Thanks to major advances in genetic engineering that we have pioneered right here on the Jurassic World campus, combined with the ultimate state-of-the-art safety precautions, you are about to come face to face with these magnificent creatures in a way that you might have to go back in time millions of years to experience. Of course, guest safety is our paramount.
You looking for the mask?
Yeah, I saw it now.
All right, everybody, we just got off of the VelociCoaster. Words cannot express how much I enjoy my new favorite roller coaster. It is that easy to put this into your favorites. There's top 10s. If you're a coaster nerd, if you're a fan of thrill rides, this will be literally your #1 ride. And I hate to say this, but it even beats out Hagrid's. The theming, the speed, the pacing of this ride is incredibly amazing. It's just, there's nothing I can say besides you guys have to get out here and experience it. It is through and through one of my all-time favorite rides so far. Get out here, guys. I wish we could give you a full preview, but you know, there's no cameras on that ride. So guys, get out here, get on VelociCoaster and come ride this one of a kind, amazing ride that Universal has just extended this park into the next level of parks. And this park is now my #1 favorite of all time. We have so many great rides here. So come get out here. I cannot recommend VelociCoaster enough, guys.
Your fan?
I don't know.
What's your fan? Oh, it doesn't tell you the age.
No, it's the amount of female versus male. All right, let's go. Let's go shoot some aliens. Bikini Bottom! All right, we're gonna go shoot some aliens. We just ate some lunch at Twosome. You probably can't hear me, but hey, let's go do it. Woo! All right, guys. Hope you guys are having fun watching this video. I'm sorry if it's sporadic. We're gonna go beat some aliens and pew pew pew.
For the health and safety of everyone.
All right, everybody. We're gonna go to Men in Black, but we're currently into Lardland here at Springfield. We just did Men in Black, 500,000, 300,000. Of course, I was a Galaxy Defender.
Yeah.
Because that's what's gonna happen when you know to pew 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 it. So we're still on the journey here, still having fun. It's still hot out, so let's just go figure out something else. Let's go do something else. All right, guys, let's go. It's been a whirlwind of a day so far. It's been hot. It's been amazing. It's been fast. It's been furious. It's been all those things. We still have more to do. That's the cool thing about Universal Studios in Orlando. There's just so much to do, so much to say, so many things to see. We got Project Theme Park here, right there. We were Galaxy Defenders. And we're double streaming whatever we're going on now. Interrupting.
What'd you drop?
Oh, 500,000 because I'm a Galaxy Defender. Galaxy Defender. But what'd you do? What'd you do?
372.
Like something
Not
like
bad. So both of us combined still didn't max it out.
Yeah, we'll be fine. Yeah, it's fine. But we beat the car, so it's fine.
The whole premise is there's another car, you're kind of competing against them.
Yeah.
Our average score is like 400-some thousand. Their average score was like 88.
Yeah, it's whatever. We're okay.
They were trash. We're watching.
But anyways, let's go into Diagon Alley.
Is that where we're headed?
I think so.
All right, that's the move then.
And let's figure this out. Let's do some Wingardium Leviosa spell.
Right here, wait for it.
It might be an hour 15 now. Everybody, I think we're gonna get our bank accounts and go into Hagrid's. Let's get our bank accounts, let's grab some money, and let's head into Hagrid's. Escape from Gringotts, Gringotts. Let's head into Escape from Gringotts, everybody. So it's a little bit bitter. I'm ready. I hope you guys are. Hello. Hello, everybody. Are you ready to go to your bank account and grab some stuff from Gringotts Bank? Yeah, I think we are. Gonna get cancelled by everyone from the UK. All right, everybody, let's go. Worst accent ever. I think we're gonna go into Jaws with that accent. Okay, bye.
The loop isn't as effective as it could have been.
All right, everybody, we did it. We took on Lord Voldemort, and we got our money out of the bank here at Green Gods. I had to retrieve $5, so I got it. Took us a while. We encountered some like crazy beings, some dragons, Voldemort, and that kind of stuff. But I got my $5 for my $5 footlong at Subway. So we're chilling now here at Green Gods at the end of the bank. So yeah, okay. Let's go ride some more stuff. Oh, it's hot, Murph, though. It's too hot. It's too hot.
Let's go home. We're just going right into May.
I guess so. Right into it. It's just happening.
They got a stance, but they're 10 feet above.
But, yeah, I was going to say, that ain't doing nothing.
I can't do the shark attack on stilts. At least not yet.
Well, there was a will is a way. You'll get there.
I'll get there.
Yeah.
In due practice.
He's never seen the shark attack before.
Never did?
The ocean attack. We're ready.
Ready, Freddy!
How's it feel to be famous though? Like, when did this all start, by the way? I know we've been here a bunch.
It started like when everybody was in the pandemic.
Oh really?
Yeah, right? They started watching all the YouTube videos from
Yeah.
the YouTube people, and they were like, wow, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
The whole drinking process.
Yeah.
Once we were open again, we did a few TikTok videos.
That's
TikTok
what we do.
And then TikTok is giant, and then like,
Yeah.
it just went viral.
Boom.
Like, one of them got 1.6 million.
Oh really? We'll try and get you some more views.
Yeah, you're alright. Are you guys YouTubers?
We're TikToker YouTubers, people. Yeah, yeah.
TikTok or YouTubers?
Yeah, one of those things.
That's a cool combo. So I'm dealing with some famous people now, I guess.
No, we're hanging out with some famous people.
Oh. So you're the famous one.
No.
Oh, you're like, oh, okay, all right.
You're the world famous
I'm
Murph.
the world famous, right?
Murph.
Here we go.
Shark in the water, 6 feet away. Stay still, don't move, swim faster. Jaws is after you, and you. Not you, just kidding, you. Getting closer, gotcha. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. And Chief Brody definitely close the piece of that. There's a pesky Jaws shark in the water. Chop, 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 chop. Thanks for coming out.
Thanks, Murph.
Murph.
All right, everybody. We just rode ET, the best ride in the park.
We didn't ride it.
The best ride in the park. We just rode it.
You didn't ride anything. You cried. You were scared.
I was scared. I didn't ride nothing. I think we're going to the other park. What else did we do? Rip Ride Rocket. Almost died on it. It's fun.
Subscribe to Project Theme Park.
Boop. That's definitely a blooping out situation. What time is it?
Party time.
It's party time, so we're gonna go to the next park. So we'll see you over there. We're gonna try and get on Hagrid's. We're going on the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Crazy.
What is this? One fish, two fish? One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Because if you don't pay attention, there are consequences. So this ride teaches, not only is it fun, but it teaches you. Because if you don't listen, you get wet. So let's go! Okay, here we go.
There are creatures there who will soak you head to toe.
We don't want to get wet.
Hear this, all fish that fly. Follow me. say try. One fish, red fish, two fish, blue fish.
Uh-oh. Ow! Yo, you didn't. Ooh! We got it. Ah! Oh!
Now our flight is nearly done. We've had some lunch.
Oh!
Some fun.
Grant got it right in the face.
As I said, take a big breath and
Yeah!
Welcome back, my fishy friends.
We are
Did
yellowfish.
it!
We're yellowfish.
We're a yellowfish. Okay, bye. Just went on one fish, two fish, VelociCoaster. It's a brand new ride here at Universal Studios. It goes 0 to 60 in 1.3 McGherkins. And yeah, it was amazing. What'd you guys think of the new VelociCoaster? One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish.
Oh, the best.
The best.
Get wet.
Did you guys? I know it's a hybrid coaster that gets you wet as well.
Yeah.
But you have to listen to a song. Yeah. I'd give it 4 out of 5 mouse vibes. So yeah.
Now, what can I say when I get home today? All the long way through town and all the way back, I look round and round and I keep careful track. The next thing I spy is the Hop on Pop shop. Tots hopping on ice cream with cherries on top. As you can see, here in the heart of Seuss Landing is a carousel cell that's truly outstanding. And I see the trees, the truffula trees, the bright colored tufts of the truffula trees, mile after mile in the fresh blowing breeze. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. From there to here, from here to there, fantabulous things are everywhere. Just look at that red and white hat. I'm sure it belongs to that black and white cat. And look out below! It's that new McGrew Zoo. Oh, what the zoo must be worth. It's the most wonderful zoo on the face of the earth. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do, I like them, Sam I am. And I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. Now we bypass 2 unbudging Zacks, both stubbornly stuck unbudged in their tracks. Now keep your eyes peeled for Sneetches. They are known to love beaches. There's one down there, fishing. He's floating, he's wishing. He might catch a fish with a pinwheel-like tail. He might catch a fish who has fins like a sail. He might catch a fish with a checkerboard belly, or even a fish made of strawberry jelly. Say, that makes a story that no one can beat when we say that we saw it on Mulberry Street. But it still could be better. Did I ever tell you that Mrs. McCabe had 23 sons and she named them all Dave? Well, she did, and that wasn't a smart thing to do. You see, when she wanted one and calls out, "Yoo-hoo! Come into the house, Dave!" she doesn't get one. All 23 Daves of hers come on the run. Farewell to the Sneetches at the end of our fun. No time for more, we're almost done. We swing around the corner and dash through the gate. The ride door stopped, and we feel simply...
Alright everybody, we did it. Another adventure in the books for here at Universal Studios in Orlando. We had some amazing times. We rode some amazing rides. We got to go on VelociCoaster, which is one of the best roller coasters on the planet. We got to ride the Hagrid's ride, which is amazing as well. And probably better than VelociCoaster. I know, there's gonna be a lot of hate in the comments. But it's been such a great time. With that being said, we're off. Look at this. What a good backdrop. So make sure to comment, subscribe, do all that kinds of stuff. We'll be doing park coverage all the time now. So we just can't wait to give you guys more stuff of what's going around, especially in LA. So sad to be leaving here, but listen, we're not here for a long time, we're here for a good time. So anyways guys, let's park it, and I wish you guys all the best.